Could you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Ria Moni. My family member and my friend call me Ria. That's my nickname, and I am quite comfortable with this name. If you feel comfortable, you can call me Ria.
Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name.
Does your name have any special meaning?
No,
Okay.
nothing
Do you want
else.
to change your name?
No, I don't like.
Well, now I'd like to ask you some questions about your daily routine. Do you follow a daily routine every day?
Yes, I try to follow a daily routine every day.
Well, what time do you usually get up every day?
I usually get up on 8 o'clock every day.
Okay, and what time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed on 12 o'clock every day.
Do you think that it's important to follow a daily routine for students?
Yes, it's important to follow a daily routine for students because it helps to make their life peaceful, and they try to it's helped to good their result and their mind fresh.
Now I'd like to ask you some very basic questions. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Mymensingh.
Do you think that your hometown has changed a lot since your childhood?
Yes, I think.
Is there any famous politician in your hometown?
Yes, there are a special politician in my hometown, and he is Babur.
Well, okay. What is the most famous tourist spot of your hometown?
The most famous tourist spot of my hometown is Vijayanagar.
Do you often visit there?
No.
Where do you live now?
I live in Dhaka since my childhood.
Since your childhood. With whom do you live in Dhaka?
I live in Dhaka with my family.
Well, what do you like about Dhaka?
I like Dhaka, their environment and their people. The people are Dhaka very friendly, and I like them.
Well, and what do you dislike about Dhaka?
I dislike about Dhaka their pollution.
Okay, do you want to live in Dhaka in the future?
No, I don't.
Well, why are you learning English?
I learning English because English is very important in our life. It is important in every sphere of life. English play a valuable role in our education sector.
Which country do you like the most?
I like the most London.
Do you have a plan to study abroad?
Yes, I have a plan to study abroad.
Okay, in which country do you want to go?
I want to go in London.
Can you cook?
No, I can't.
Well, do you want to learn how to cook?
Yes, I want to learn how to cook.
Okay, who usually cooks at your home?
My mother usually cooks in my home.
Well, how many people are there in your family?
In my family, there have 6 members, including myself.
Including yourself. Well, who is your favorite family member?
My favorite family member is my father.
What do you usually do with your father?
I usually eat with my father. I usually playing games with my father. I usually watching TV with my father. I usually talking about my family members with my father, and I like it.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a doctor in my future and treat poor people without any charge.
Well, do you think that it's a popular profession in your country?
Yes, I think that it's a popular profession in our country, and it's a noble profession in this world.
Well, this is the end of your speaking practice test. I hope this speaking practice test will help you boost up your confidence. Thank you.
Thank you so much.